Well, you guys asked for it, so today we're going to go through the Heatherton floor plan here at the place at Corkscrew. This is one of Pulte's largest floor plans here, super flexible, so take a look with us and check it out. Alright, so here we are, we're checking out the Heatherton, which is a Pulte model here at the place at Corkscrew. And interestingly enough, we're kind of at opposite ends of the spectrum. So last time we showed you the Summerwood, which is a super versatile plan, a little bit on the smaller side. This house, this is the Heatherton. It can be configured up to 6 bedrooms. It's about 4,500 to 4,800 square feet, depending on how you outfit or option the house. Obviously, it's one of the larger houses, but it too is super versatile. So some of the options that people look for in here, you can add a loft over this main room, so you have a little more space upstairs for the kids, maybe a playroom. You can actually have a multi-generational suite, which obviously if you've got a multi-generational family arrangement, this is one of the few houses with Pulte that can actually meet that. And then of course you have the additional optional 6-bedroom, and then you can do a master bedroom suite on the main level as well. This house, as optioned, is set up as a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, and they have the master bedroom upstairs. So as I've been talking, obviously we walked in the main foyer. You saw it was pretty grand. It goes into a gathering room style area that actually has the main living space off of the kitchen, opens up to the pool. As we came around the corner here, you saw there's actually they optioned this as the cabana bath. It would normally be a bathroom or a powder room type bathroom with some storage on the backside. This configuration actually allows you to have access to the bathroom from the pool. So very few floor plans in this area actually have the cabana bath. So if this is a must-have, this certainly could be a floor plan for you. Now, we're going to see a couple different views of the main level because I knew it would take me a little bit of time to kind of get through the Heatherton and what it is. Obviously, you can see it is one of the larger floor plans. We're looking across here, and this is actually the drop zone area. That's actually the door to the garage. We're not going to cover the garage just yet, but we will show you that here in a little bit because there is a bit of a surprise in the 3-car garage as well. So you do have some storage there, and then like I said, this is actually the drop zone area. You have 2 different options with the builder. So continuing on, we just basically turned past that drop zone coming in from the garage, and then this is set up as the game room. So it's an additional, could be a bedroom, could be the multi-generational suite, could be the master suite. Again, it's a pretty versatile floor plan. So here you get a sense of just how grand this great room is. And then coming into the kitchen area, this does have the optional island. So you have 2 different island configurations. You can do the built-in appliance package, which you're seeing here as well. And then also nice feature in here, a really good size pantry, and then kind of a butler's pantry pass-through area before you get into this dining area. Now, a lot of people don't option this up, or I should say don't actually put it as a dining room. It's not as common here in Florida, so they may use this as a sitting area. Some people have actually put it into like a second TV area. So again, you can do some different things. You can actually set this up as a den. I mean, there's quite a few different configurations that you can choose to do with the Heatherton. So this is interesting. You can do 3 things in here. You can have storage, you can have this wine cave, I believe is what they call it, or you can actually set this up as an office. Now, it looks a little small for me, but if you need something that's just kind of in a pinch, it could be a really good use of space for you. So as we come back around here, they option this as a bedroom. This can be a flex space along with the den. Again, if you're not looking for the formal dining room, you do have a lot of different flexibility with this floor plan and configuration. So you do have a pretty good size closet, and then this bedroom, when it's set up this way, also has an ensuite bathroom. So it really becomes it's just a nice guest suite if you have people coming in to visit. So we're going to walk back out, and again, this is kind of the main walk-in, so you can see that wine cave to the left, the stairs going up, and then you can just see how open this space is. They've done, obviously, some different feature walls there for the main room. Again, they did this drop zone as a additional option, and then I wanted to show you guys in here. This is your standard 3-car garage, but there is a nice little section in front of the single bay door, as we're going to turn around here, you're going to see it is not just garage space, but you actually have quite a bit of additional storage, and that is a big deal here in Florida. Okay, so we're now making our way up to the second floor, and you're going to see this really lays out nicely. Now, this particular model, they set up with the primary suite on the second floor. You can, of course, option it where it is on the main level as well. So as we came up the stairs and entered this side of the primary suite, you found yourself in the sitting room. And it's really a nice space, but you still have a great amount of space in the bedroom itself. You can see there's a king bed there with the 2 nightstands. We're making our way back through that sitting area into the primary bathroom. And what's nice about this bathroom is it's large, but it's not, I don't think many people would feel like you have a lot of wasted space, which you see in some of the larger bathrooms. So you have a linen closet here, which is going to be great for your towels, your extra bed linens, etc. You did have a walk-in closet there. You do have the dual vanities and then separated by the tub itself. You also have the walk-in shower, and it is nice to have the bench here in this one. So for shaving or other needs, it is nice to have that in there. As mentioned, it does have the 2 walk-in closets. So you can see here another good sized closet. So you do have the 2 walk-ins, and then as we come back out, you're going to see again kind of the split vanity design. They chose to do all solid surface in here, which looks pretty nice. Of course, the tub in the middle, and then you do have the bathroom there, which is, or the toilet I should say, behind a door, which is something that many people of course are looking for. So having said all that, as we walk our way back towards the other side of the upstairs, the area to the left is open in this configuration. You can make that a loft. So there is the option to have, if you want a game room or a TV area, maybe a homework station for the kids. Again, you can really kind of design the house to your needs. So here we have 2 bedrooms, and I really like how Pulte does this. They do this in this floor plan and then also in the Empire, which is another large floor plan that they have. Each of these bedrooms have a dedicated walk-in closet, which you can see here, and you had just saw there was a vanity. Now as you come through that area, there's actually a pocket door to the shower tub area, and then as well the toilet. So in this area you have kind of, this is the shared space. So this is what I like about it. So although these 2 bedrooms do share the shower and the toilet, they each have their own dedicated space where they can get ready, they can do makeup, they can brush their teeth, etc. Because the vanities are not shared. So there's 2 pocket doors that separate that area. Hopefully that makes sense in terms of that configuration or that layout. This is the other bedroom off of the Jack and Jill. So you can see really good size rooms up here. As we make our way to the left, there is going to be another bedroom, and then we'll also touch on the laundry room as we begin to wrap up. So you can see, grand. I mean, like, they have this one set up where it's open on both sides. They have this Sputnik style lamp. I mean, certainly a statement piece in this type of high foyer. You do have another closet here, which, anyone that's lived in Florida knows without the basements, we yearn for storage. So houses that have closets, they're desirable. So this is nice. So this is another bedroom, and then this bedroom actually has the ensuite. So you do have a bathroom here that's dedicated, as well as another walk-in closet. So really a nice setup for a guest room. If you had people coming in that visit, it is nice to have the dedicated space here. So we'll just kind of peek in, and you can see it is a full shower tub combination. And again, you saw the walk-in closet along with the bedroom. So we're going to make our way back out, and pretty much just across the hall here is the laundry room. So a lot of people like to have the laundry on the floor with most of the bedrooms. This house actually does accommodate that. So you've got your sink area here. They did put in some cabinets. You do have a nice counter space as a result of that. And then of course the laundry machines themselves. So that's the Heatherton, guys. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us. We look forward to talking to you soon. Maybe the Heatherton is just too much square footage for you. If that's the case, check out the Summerwood, which has a lot of flexibility, but about half the square footage.
Bye.